In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-translate videos into any language with AI. Full HeyGen tutorial. Here's the plan. We'll start from a blank browser and move all the way to a fully translated version of your video inside HeyGen. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press enter. This is the quickest way to reach the official site without having to remember a specific URL. In the search results, click the official HeyGen website. That will take you straight to their platform, where your projects live. Once you're on the site, scroll down the page. You're looking for the section that shows your recent creations. This area is handy because it surfaces the videos you worked on most recently, so you don't have to dig through folders. When you see your recent creation, take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the thumbnail and title. If you don't immediately see what you need, look for the option that says See All and click it. That expands the view so you can browse everything in your account and quickly find the exact video you want to translate. Now, click on the video you want to translate. This opens the project and gives you access to all the tools related to that video. In the project view, look for the Translate option and click it. Translate is the feature that lets HeyGen handle the heavy lifting. It adapts the script and speech to a new language while keeping your visuals, timing, and overall structure intact. Next, click on Translate Script. This tells HeyGen to generate a translated version of your existing script, aligning it to your current video. You'll now see a language selector. Choose the language you want for your video. Take a second to pick the right variant if multiple options are available, so your translation matches your audience's expectations for tone and phrasing. Finally, click Translate. HeyGen will process the request, create a translated script, and map it to your video. Depending on length and complexity, this may take a moment. When it's done, you'll have a localized version that retains the original pacing and visuals while speaking to viewers in their own language. And that's it. You went from opening Google to generating a translated video inside HeyGen in just a few clicks. Keep these steps handy, and you'll be able to replicate the process for any language you need.